Good morning, YouTube Nation. Coming to you this morning because it's raining outside. Been raining all morning, as you can see. My Ram is all wet. It's been raining all morning here, and this could be a little follow-up. I just want to see what's happening. I mean, I put this bed cover on a few months ago, and man, I tell you, I'm loving it. I am loving it. 360 bucks. I don't think you can beat it. As you can see, it's wet outside. Here's my big baby. It's all wet. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open her up and see how much water's inside. Well, wouldn't you know, she's all dry. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me? There's no water in there. There's no water. Well, there's a jug of water. Maybe water in the cooler. But I'm telling you, it is dry. There's no water. Now, what does that mean? That means that this cover from ECCPI, I'm gonna have to double check that to make sure I got it right. This cover don't leak, guys. I go through the car wash, truck wash, pressure wash it. It pretty much stays bone dry. And it's been on here now for probably 4 or 5 months, maybe 6 months. I'm gonna have to see. Time flies for me, so it's been on here several months. So let's put it like that. And this is the result. 360 bucks. 4-piece folded, right? This one folds, that one folds, that one folds on top of this one, and it stays there. Now, the only downfall of this cover is just a small lazy gripe, which is this cover does operate by these latches. These latches right here. You have to undo that one, undo that one. There's a storage place for them. They'll stay out of the way. But guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, America, France, England, what am I talking about? Anywhere around the world, you know what I'm saying. Come on, all around the world. This bed cover works. This bed cover, I think, is the best $360 accessory I purchased for my truck yet. And there you go. That's from old Chatty Matty.